Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 700 calorie diet plan to lose weight fast, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in just 7 days very quickly. This diet plan is definitely calorie deficit diet plan to help you lose weight fast and to give you all the nutritional content and healthy vitamins and nutrients in 700 calories itself. Recently, my lots of clients followed the diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening for themselves. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena. So without any delay, let's get started with 700 calorie diet plan to lose weight fast. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Apple cider vinegar works great for your digestive system to lower your blood sugar levels and as well as to detoxify your system very quickly. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Empty stomach works great for digestive system. If you cannot have this because of acidity or any other reasons, then you can always have jeera water. Jeera is a very good source of potassium and iron which helps in building up your immune system and also to decrease the inflammation in the body and as well as to remove all the water retention and bloating very quickly. Here is a jeera water recipe, super easy, super quick to prepare. What we'll do is in 1 glass of water, we'll add 1 teaspoon of jeera again. We'll just boil it for at least 4 to 5 minutes and let it simmer. Have it for your early morning drink, empty stomach. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast. For breakfast, I'll be giving you lots and lots of options, healthy yet nutritious. First option has to be my personal favorite, multigrain sandwich. Here are all the recipes for all the delicious multigrain sandwiches. A banana peanut butter sandwich, veggie grill sandwich, my personal favorite. Have it for your breakfast along with 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Second option for your breakfast is veggie oats or oats upma. Here is the complete recipe. You can have 4 to 5 suji appe and along with that have coconut chutney or mint chutney. Super easy to prepare, add lots and lots of veggies to it and prefer using gluten-free oats for this. Third option for your breakfast is fruit smoothie bowl. Now, the recipe for my smoothie bowl, again delicious and yummy in each and every manner, highly easy to prepare and contains lots and lots of good ingredients as well. You can use any fresh seasonal fruit available for your fruit smoothies like watermelon, banana, apple, cherries, berries, whatever is available and prepare your fruit smoothie in a very healthy and nutritious way. It is a very easy to carry and quick breakfast option for all the office goers as well. Or you can even prepare my apple oat smoothie, that is the same amount of calories and tastes yum as well. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one can be 1 cup of green tea. Instead of green tea, you can also have matcha tea. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. You can always replace your green tea with matcha tea. If not, if you want something chilled in nature, then you can always have chilled lemon water. That also is great for detoxification and also you can add fresh mint leaves for freshness and have it for your mid-morning snack. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. It helps to kickstart your metabolism and also the blood sugar levels and detoxify your system very quickly. Consume it for 3 to 4 days and you'll start seeing a difference in your body automatically. For lunch, the options are gonna be super easy and super simple. 1 oats roti along with any sabzi and curd. The calorie amount in this is very less and as well as very fulfilling. Oats roti can be prepared with grinding gluten-free oats at home and prepare a flour out of it and prepare fresh chapatis with oats flour. Have it along with any fresh seasonal vegetable or sabzi prepared at home and along with a good full bowl of curd. Second option can be 100 grams of cooked brown rice along with any curry, or you can even have it along with pulses like rajma, white chana, black chana, any kind of curry like fish curry, chicken curry, whatever is your favorite. And along with that you can have a good full bowl of curd and salad. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snack you can have tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee lover. If not, then you can always have a good full bowl of fruits. Watermelon is very seasonally available these days. Along with that you can have melon also, but always try to have one fruit at a time and not a combination of it. Along with that you can have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 2 figs every day. Leading towards our dinner. We'll keep dinner super simple. If you like having fruits for dinner, then you can always have my apple oats smoothie. It's very fulfilling and does not make you hungry for a longer time of the day. Second option can be, if you want something savory, you can always have lemon coriander soup. Now the recipe for my lemon coriander soup is up here. Super easy, super yummy to prepare, very warm in nature and yet very fulfilling as well. You can have 1 full bowl of lemon coriander soup. Do not skip your dinner. Always make sure to have a good full bowl of papaya or watermelon or pineapple. Just make sure that you do not skip your dinner or any meal of the day. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which is very important in each and every manner to boost your metabolism, to stay hydrated the entire night, and as well as to keep your blood sugar levels in control. For bedtime drink, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. If not possible, then you can always switch your bedtime drink to either ajwain water or jeera water. They both work great for water retention, bloating and any kind of salt retention in the body. So you can always de-bloat yourself with ajwain water or jeera water. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of room temperature water without any fail for hydration, to increase your urination and as well as to kick out all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 7 days super easily, super quickly, like all my recently clients have done with personalized diet plans by dietitian Sheena. So can you. For personalized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation quickly and help you achieve your body goals. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals or recipes. I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends to help them also with their weight loss journey. And do subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming diet plans for weight loss or weight loss recipes. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.